Perfect Power is a cutting solution provider. We can offer cutting solution for personal use and industrial expert. Based on the needs of consumer, we created internal air compressor system cutter and external air compressor cutter. We built a LED display on our machine CUT-40H and CUT-70H. CUT-40H and CUT-70H is designed for cutting metals of surface paint stains rust. Its cutting current is in range from 10 to 70 amp. CUT-40H and CUT-70H is able to cut thickness up to 30 millimeters. Based on development of stable IGBT inverter technology, CUT-40D is capable to cut 20 millimeters metals precisely. We built a digital controlled operation panel for create a better user experience. CUT-160 is a 3-in-1 compact machine. We designed it portable for individual user. It has assembly all the needs using at home no matter you are cutting, sticking or welding. We also developed two machines with internal air compressor. Thanks for the developing of technology, CUT-40 Air and CUT-60 Air is able to operate in a large area. If you need a cutter to use at home in outdoor environments, in small repair shop etc., we will offer you a suitable welding solution accordingly. If you need a cutter for your home workshop or external environment, we are able to offer the solution under your request.